everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Greg's Restorations. Today we are here with a project we have just finished up. This is a 2006 Subaru WRX. Vehicle came in for a body restoration. It had a lot of rust repair from being a New England car, and the customer wanted to make it new again. This was about a 1-year project that we started. It had a lot of challenges from being rusted. When the vehicle came in, we assessed it, but there was a lot of lower rust that was hidden. Inner and outer rocker panels were all covered up by the factory plastic skirts. Once we pulled those all down and started peeling back the factory undercoating and chip guard, it kind of turned into a little mess. I would say the rocker panels and the rear quarters were probably one of the biggest projects of this car. There's no replacement panels for the inner rockers. You can't just buy them. You might be able to buy a full floor section, but we couldn't find anything. You were still able to get the outer rockers from the dealer, and then we were able to get one inner rocker. There's like actually 3 panels. You've got the inner rocker, you've got the center middle rocker panel. It's just like a long thin strip with some holes in it, and then you got the outer rocker panel. So that was a pretty big job, along with doing the inner wheel wells, doing the outer quarters, doing trunk repair, a lot of rust underneath the car. Most of this project was heavy metal repair. It's a really fun car to drive down the road. It's really peppy, but I want to get into kind of like what we did to the body. Extensive work on the body. We stripped all the panels down to a good substrate to be able to do body work and paint work. Everything was sanded down, everything was body worked, primed, blocked, reprimed. This body is super straight. So normally we do full restorations here, but for this car, we mostly did a body restoration. And we did some restoration on the underside of the car just because it was really rusted. We weren't going to paint the outside of the car and not take care of the rust under the car. It's like putting a roof on a house that the foundation's crumbling. So heavy rust repair underside of the car. We ground down, sandblasted, wire wheeled the whole underside of the car. We used a rust preventative coating under there to kind of keep the stuff at bay. This car will never be driven in the winter again, but you know, this car was a New England car and it was driven. Painted all up underneath the rear subframe, painted the subframe, did a lot of work under the underside of this car. We don't normally specialize in these. We do a lot of vintage 4-wheel drive Toyotas, but it's a Japanese car, so we can handle it. A lot of Supras in lately and WRXs, so it's kind of neat to see this kind of car and kind of see that people that are putting the money into these classics, because they're all going to be gone at some day if you don't keep them up. We restored the whole fuel tank system, replaced the fuel tank. We get all of our products from Sherwin-Williams Automotive. That has every product on this car is from Sherwin-Williams Automotive. They help us out a lot with our products. On the side of this car, did a lot of paint work on the front of it, as well as the front wheel well areas. So it was kind of neat to kind of see the transformation of this car. customer, this was like one of his first cars he ever purchased, so we wanted to save it. We did keep this car to an original color. It is Subaru paint code 32J. It's a black metallic. It pops. So when we had this car apart, we did all the weather stripping, we restored all the trim, we put a new windshield in it, we actually replaced some of the door glass that was scratched, did all the weather stripping, even right down to putting some new wiper blades on it. Most of the parts are OEM from Subaru. We did have to get a couple aftermarket things that we, weren't able to get, but this thing fits our criteria and is going to be listed on our website. It's a gem. It's one of the nicest WRXs around. The customer is going for the STI look, but it's originally started out life as a WRX. This car has a lot of aftermarket goodies on it. Front and rear bumpers, rear diffuser. We also did the factory rear bumper, but we did a underside diffuser from APR Racing. We did a set of solar headlights in it. The customer also had a set of nice carbon fiber aftermarket mirrors on it. A lot of people are going to be asking why we restored this car, because you can buy another one. Everything that we do here at the shop is sentimental. So this car means a lot to the owner. This was his first car that he ever bought. He did not buy it new, but he bought it pretty close to new. He's had it for over 10 years. And yeah, it's a car that he wants to keep forever and he never wants to get rid of. So he did the extensive bodywork and rust repair so he can say, in 20, 30 years from now, that this was his first car. They're getting more rare. These cars were all driven by younger kids, and they've been crashed, and up here in New England they've rusted out. So they're going to be the next generation kind of muscle car. I mean, they're not a big block Chevelle, but this is what everybody had when we were in high school. So it's going to be kind of cool to see these cars being classics and being restored. So usually what everybody does is they restore what they had in high school. Yeah, so pretty cool car. We'll see you on the next ride.